This time we'll talk about Ulysse Nardin Maxi Marine Diver Chronograph, a sporty yet extremely elegant dive watch. Color-wise, it's all about a pink gold versus black contrast with additional tiny red accents scattered across the dial. The watch comes on a rubber strap with golden inlays. The piece is powered by an automatic movement with a chronograph and a date, and features a golden rotor visible through the transparent caseback. Cased in pink gold, it measures 42.7 mm in diameter and, as you can guess by the name, has some serious water resistance up to 200 meters, a screw-down crown and a unidirectional bezel for safe timing your dives.